Hello guys, this morning or today we are going to be designing this particular perfume, glass, product modeling using Solidworks, and we're also going to be inscribing this particular name on it. So let's get started and let's get this done. Come right here, create a new workspace. Okay, press Ctrl N. Click, say okay, I don't know, okay. Then come right here to front plane, click sketch, and pick up your line tool and draw your line straight from here. Something like this. I'm not drawing to scale, so just follow me as I'm drawing. I'm not drawing to scale, so let's just follow me, pick up your line, and just keep drawing as I'm drawing. Say okay. Okay. Now pick up this line, this particular line, make relationship collinear. Say okay, and make this horizontal. Say okay. Now let's adjust these lines a little bit. Let's shift these lines inward, so they look a little bit like this. I said earlier, I'm not drawing to scale. I just got this morning. Say okay. I believe it should be good like this. Let's draw this down in little bits. Say okay. Now come right to features, then click on revolve boss base, and your axis of revolution is going to be this particular line right over here. Click this, say okay, and we have that already. So you have an inner button, you have an outer button. But before that, I think there's something we need to adjust. Let's adjust this a little bit, and also adjust this a little bit. Okay, I think that is perfect. That is perfect. Now come right to fillets. Add a fillet of 1.5 millimeters. Edge and this particular edge right over here. Say okay. So you have fillets of those edges. Also, these edges right here have a fillet of 1.5 millimeters. Say okay. So you have that already. Now come right here to appearance. Come right here to appearance. Under appearances, material selection, and click glass. This is going to be blue glass. So you can see you have inner glass and you also have the outer glass. So now let's edit. Now pick these particular surfaces. The same goes for this one. This same as the underneath. Okay, and let's make this under metals. Come right here to silver, and let's make silver polished silver. So you have that material as a polished silver. Okay. Underneath right here, you still have this. Be very careful of that. So everything is now polished silver. Okay, we've not chosen this and make this polished silver. Okay, good. I believe we are good to go. Now, right on this surface, let's click sketch because we are going to be adding a bottle. The lid of the bottle. Pick up a polygon and let's draw it across the center of the bottle. Say okay. Now, pick this and also the innermost, the outermost circle and make relationship tangents. Okay. Now come right here to features and click extrude. Extrude boss base, let's say 4 millimeters or 5 millimeters. Extruding by distance of 5 millimeters. Oh, okay, 5 millimeters seems a little small. Let's make it 10 millimeters. 20 millimeters is enough, I believe. Okay, let's say 20 millimeters. But we have an error somewhere, but we are going to correct that later. Let's just press Ctrl Z. Let's remove the cover for now. Let's remove that for now. So let's edit what we have here. Leave the sketch and click on select others. So select this, press Ctrl and click this and click this, press select other. Now press Ctrl, select that inner surface. Also, select this. I'm trying to select the inner surface, so you have to be very careful. Select this. Okay, let's just select the outer surface first, and then we'll deal with the inner surface later. So now come right here to appearances. Okay. This. And let's make this. Right here to illumination, and the transparency, reduce the transparency to about 0.5 Okay, yeah. And color, let's make it deep like this. Okay. Just like we have it over there. Let's make it like this. Okay. I believe this should be okay. This should be all right. Say okay. And for the inner surface, click on it. And come right here to edit appearance. So we're going to be making this a little bit much more deeper. Like the color has to be kind of deep. So transparent amount. Okay. And also come right here to colors. Click on the dark. Let's make it black. Let's make it black. And illumination. Ready. Kind of black. Come right to color. Let's change this to deep blue. Okay, let's change it back to black. Reflection amount, reduce this to 0. And I believe that should be all. So say okay. So you can see you have inner perfume bottle and you also have an outer perfume bottle. Click this surface and also click this surface and also edit appearances and make them also black. Black in color. Illumination. Same as what we did earlier. Come right here to colors, make it black. And say okay. So you can see you have something that looks like inner bottle and you also have an outer bottle. You can switch this to whatever it is you actually want. Let's adjust our fillet of our edges. Let's make this blue. Say okay. So you have an inner bottle that looks like this and you also have an outer bottle that looks like this. So now the next thing we want to do is to add cover to our perfume bottle and we are actually done. So to add the cover to our perfume bottle, just click this particular top right here and come right here to click sketch. Now come right here to polygon and about the center, draw a polygon that looks like this, 6. And when you're done, pick this and also the outermost circle and make, the outermost circle and make relationship target. Say okay. Now come right here to extrude boss base. Come right here to features and click on extrude boss base. And the extrusion is going to be pick mid plane. So let's make it like that. So 25 up, 25 down, or let's make it 40. Let's make it 40. Okay. And then on click merge results. The main reason you're on clicking merge results is such a way that this particular Solidworks won't see the whole bottle as one body, but as two different bodies. So you have this body, and then you have this body differently. So unclick this. So you have two bodies already. And say okay. So you have that already. So you can see you have two different bodies already. But right now, we want to make this bottle in such a way that you can actually open this perfume lid. Like you can open it and then make use of your perfume. So come right here to revolve boss base and click on sketch. Click on edit sketch. Okay. Go back. Click on sketch. Okay. Now come right here to this sketch and click show. So you can see it is actually shown. The profile is actually shown. Now come right here to extrude cuts. Click extrude cuts and pick this particular line. Extrude cuts. Sorry. Say okay. Exit. I'm sorry. So sorry, I made a mistake earlier. Now this particular sketch, click. If I'm hiding it right now, but you can click it and click on show, and you can see we can actually see our initial sketch. Now come right here to features and click on revolve cut. So what we are trying to do is that we are trying to cut through this particular upper glass, such that we can open our perfume lid and we can actually close it. I hope you get what I'm actually trying to say. So pick this particular line, and you can see, so we can actually cut through it and say okay, and so you have a cut across this particular upper surface. Now come right here to deselect this auto select and then click on this particular face and you click this particular body. So the cut is going to happen only in this particular upper surface, in this particular upper body on the cover of the perfume. So you can click on OK. So you have a cut across. Okay, as you can see, you're going to have a cross such a way that you can actually open your perfume bottle and you can actually close it. Now let's hide this and let's come back to this. Now this particular surface, this particular boss extrude, let's give it a color. Okay, let's give it material selection, glass, blue glass, and give it this color, or we can actually give it whatever color it is that you actually like. Come right here to illumination. If it has 0.7, bring it down to 0.30. Okay, click OK. So you have a perfume bottle that actually looks exactly like what you actually want. You can tweak it to whatever it is you actually want, but this is actually the predefined sketch of what it is that you're actually going to get. I hope you actually get me. Now let's add writings on this particular body. Come right here and click on the front plane. Click on sketch. Now come right here to letters, and let's write whatever it is that we actually want to write. Let's just write perfume. Let's write like I did when I showed you red diamond. I actually love red diamond perfumes. Don't mind me. And we can actually tweak this and make it press Ctrl here and make italic red diamond and place it somewhere around the center or the middle. Also, you can choose to change the fonts. Come right here to fonts. I think I'm good with this. There are hundreds of fonts in SolidWorks, hundreds and hundreds of fonts, and you can change the size. I'm changing it to size 14. So you have that red diamond already. Save. Now for this sketch, I'll leave it and come right here. Oh, I made a mistake already. But hopefully, what should have been done is I should have created a plane outside that already. So let's just click delete. Say yes. Let's click delete. Say yes. Now come right here to features. Come right here to reference geometry. Let's click it. Let's make a plane. The reference geometry is going to be the front plane at a distance of let's see. Let's just draw this out. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Should have been 1. Sorry. That was a mistake on my hand. Reference geometry, plane. The reference geometry is going to be the front plane. And the offset distance is going to be, okay, that's 90. Okay. I think that's exactly right on the surface. Say okay. Now, on this particular front plane, click sketch. And you can now write your letters on it. So red diamond, just like I did earlier, and make italic. You can change your text or whatever. Now this, pull it here. You can pull it here, and exit sketch. You can hide this. Okay. Now this sketch 5, you can give it a color of whatever it is. Say red color. Red color. Okay. So that basically that is how you actually give text to whatever it is that you're actually trying to do. I'm just trying to give it a color. I'm trying to get it done. Select geometry. Okay. Now, I made a mistake. I've now actually extruded it. Now this sketch surface, click on edit sketch. Okay, let's come right here to extrude boss base. Should have extruded it by a distance of, let's say, 1 millimeters, or let's say 1.5 millimeters. Sorry, that was our mistake. Now come right here to boss extrude. You can now edit. You can now add colors. Now you can add colors, and selections, and which is going to be this boss extrude. Yeah, adding colors to make it color edge. Okay, red diamond, as you can see, is now red in color. And illumination, give it a we want to make, okay, let's make it very transparent, and then say okay. So you can see you have an inscription right on it. You have an inscription right on it. If you zoom out, you would actually see it. So that's how you actually design whatever it is. Oh, we already added the red color to this, but I hope you guys can actually adjust it. So I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm going to be designing a whole lot of projects using SolidWorks, product modeling using SolidWorks. Hope you have a great day.